Welcome to the journey of opulence and elegance. As we step into the timeless embrace of the Gritti Palace, where history, luxury and beauty unite to create a truly unforgettable experience. These are fresh flowers, right? Every day you put new, it's a big job, but I love it. The scent of fresh flowers in the air adds to the ambience, making you feel like you have entered a Venetian dream. What is called Bellissima, is it?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah, it's gorgeous.
Very beautiful.
Ah, like me.
Thank you, Mama. Yes.
The reception area adorned with exquisite maroon glass chandelier welcomes you with a soft golden glow. This palace dates back to the 16th century as it played the host of royalties, artists and luminaries from all around the world. The Gritti Palace is not just all about luxury, it's about history. Now, let's retreat the sanctuary of our room. The Venetian silk on the wall, the handcraft furniture, create an atmosphere of indulgence. I am tantalized by this washroom. Oh my God. The bathroom design and its amenities appeals me. Every detail here speaks of luxury and sophistication. We have complimentary, yeah? Oh, nice.
So here is very easy. You just press the arrows up and down, depending if you want it warmer or cooler. I live on this temperature here. Then every day we put 2 little complimentary bottles of water on the night table, 2 more are inside the room.
The walls have story to tell, and you can tell from the weight of history in the room. And that's the window. I'll show you all later. This is for my little man to sleep. Gritti Palace experience won't be complete without the ride of the private water taxi. I will leave the detailed video at the pinned comments. That thing I like about the Gritti Palace Hotel, all the flowers are freshly plucked every day, just like this rose. I love it. So we are checking out now. This is what I'm wearing, the outfit for the day, and this is from Zara. Sandals from MS. I love this place and I'm going to miss the holiday. Did not enjoy so much because of the kids running around them, but it was a beautiful experience. Staffs are extremely friendly, very helpful, and that's it. Here is some other part of the hotel. As our tour of the Gritti Palace comes to an end, I hope you have been enchanted by the elegance, history and the luxury that define this Venetian gem. This is the section for famous actors. This is Ben Gazira.
Marcelo Mastis is a famous Italian.
This is Jen from How to Marry a Millionaire with Marilyn Monroe, right? Yeah. These are the people that have visited this hotel. Grace Carly.
Mommy?
Yes. Watch out.
Charlie Chaplin.
This is the breakfast lounge. Good morning.
Salumis, over there some cheese, some fruit, some cereals and pastries. And here you find that there is some prosecco if you like to make a mimosa. We have different.
Is this a fresh orange juice?
Yes, it's fresh. If you like, you bring to the table as well. with the coffee, some fresh orange juice.
Okay.
Really good. It's
Stefano, do you want orange juice, my baby? Okay.
Then after that, yes, all the other options as omelets, pancakes, and eggs will find in the book, in the menu and still part of the cocktail as well.
Okay.
Please let me escort you to the table.
Okay. Thank you. Stefano, come. This is not just a place to stay, it's a palace. Our 3-night stay at the Gritti Palace was a beautiful experience. A place to immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of Venice. Thank you for joining me today on the journey to the Gritti Palace. Ciao! Arrivederci!